welcome back for another video, and today's video is about Crònos. Crònos is a rapid decarbonizer, but first you all have seen the intro, of course, and you have seen the Golf GTI, which has a straight piped IPE exhaust system. So first I will show you some awesome sound clips. So you guys have heard the sound of the GTI. It sounds incredible. So I will explain you guys what I did. I sprayed some Crònos from Labocosmetica into the inside of the exhaust tips. I agitated it with a toothbrush and let it sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I just sprayed it off with some water and went over it with a microfiber cloth. That's the only thing I did. We actually did a minimum effort because we haven't had much time actually, so it was a quick job. Yeah, you could reach some more impressive results if you take a bit more time, because we did it quite quick actually. So I'm pretty impressed with the product if you consider the inside of the exhaust tips haven't been cleaned for about 4 to 5 years. So Crònos did a great job. You only need to watch out with Crònos for unpainted plastics. Crònos feels also very lubricant, so that's pretty important when you don't want to scratch the surface. It also smells very good, so that's a big plus. You also don't need steel wool to clean the exhaust pipes, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so actually I'm pretty impressed with Crònos. For the time we put in, it did a pretty great job. You could reach far better results than we did, but pretty good product. Check it out if you want to clean the inside of your exhaust tips. You can also, of course, use it on the outside. It works just fine. Just keep it out of the way of plastics. And that will conclude this video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. For the people in Belgium, I have a special discount code for Crònos. If you go to the website of Detail Experts, you can enter the discount code DetailingTime10 and you will get 10% off. So this is the end of the video. See you guys soon.